So we left the car show. Now we're in Mexico. Came to TJ. Had to bring my mans out here. Kobe, how do you like TJ? Yeah? They got everything for sale here.
Oh, they got free tortillas.
They got tortilla testing out here. It says free tortillas are not currently. No, you gotta buy them. Have you ever had authentic tortillas from Tijuana?
Are you sure?
This is authentic Tijuana water, man. Try it. No, try it. I'm just kidding. It says kids eat free, man. Every day kids eat free. Why do you think there's so many kids walking around with no parents? Because the kids eat free. Every day. No, it says every day.
Where do you see that at? Oh, it does say every day.
We're going, man. We're going to the church so far. We went to the restaurant already downtown. It's closed. Catholic Church of Immaculate Conception. Oh, look, it's like the one back at home. It's closed. What do you think? And we made it to Mexico, man. How do you like these Mexican hotels? Yeah, pretty good. Your mom right there. Let's see what our view looks like. Nice view of nothing. Damn, we didn't get anything. So we decided to come to Mexico, huh? Hey, how do you like Mexico so far? Pretty good? We went for the car show to Mexico. Hey, I hope you have your passport or they're not gonna let you come back. So after the car show, we came over to Mexico real quick. He's checking his. Are we almost there? We got a 7-Eleven in Mexico. Look.
Oh, last time.
So we decided on some Corner Bakery. How's your drink, man? This is the organic raspberry everlasting gobble stopper drink. It's pretty good, huh? But it feels like, aren't you supposed to be in school? Why not? It's because it's Labor Day, huh? All right. We're in. Remember, where does the shirt say? Sky's the limit, homie. Ready to ride these scooters, man? Which one should we take? This one, this lime one? Watch out. What you gotta do is hold on to the scooter. You gotta download the app first. Once you download the app, then what you do is, let's see. Let's go to the Lime Scooter app. So it says scan to ride, right? And then you scan it, it unlocks it. Are you ready? And then it starts up. That's it. You ready? Come on, you're gonna hold the GoPro a while. That way. Let's just go that way. So once you get the scooter started, huh? And then you can control it. So that's it, people. That's it, huh? That's a quick little ride, and then once you're done, you gotta park it. And let's see, you hit lock and ride, and now it tells you to take a picture. It tells you to take a picture because they don't want these things just laying everywhere. So I think that's pretty good. You're done too?
I have $2.68 left.
Oh yeah, so that ride right there, it was. We took a 1 mile trip for about 7 minutes. It cost $2.60, which is not bad because you figure if you have to go a few blocks instead of taking an Uber, you take one of these, huh? It's Monday morning, Labor Day. After we have breakfast, let's go home. We've been out here way too long.
I mean, it's like everywhere. Like you can tell because of its trees. I mean, Chipotle right there.